The strategic professional exams are the final stage in the ACCA qualification journey. Whatever pathway you've taken, whether you completed all of the previous ACCA exams or your prior studies earned you exemptions, you will have learned a lot to get to this point. These foundations will help you through the exams. Before we advise how to navigate through Strategic Professional, we must consider the Ethics and Professional Skills module, EPSM. We strongly advise you to complete this first, as it instills solid professional and commercial thinking. Students who have completed EPSM are up to 25% more likely to pass. Now, as with all the earlier exam levels, there are no hard rules to follow when choosing your pathway through Strategic Professional. There are 6 exams in total, of which you must pass 4, and they are split into 2 sections, Essentials and Options. In Essentials, there are 2 compulsory exams, Strategic Business Leader and Strategic Business Reporting. And then in Options, you need to pass 2 of the following 4 exams: Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Performance Management, Advanced Taxation, and Advanced Audit and Assurance. One successful route that many students choose is to complete the 2 essential exams before moving on to the options exams. But there are a number of other factors to consider, so let's start looking at the essentials in more detail. When choosing which essential exam to take, first remember that Strategic Business Reporting builds on financial reporting. So if you passed financial reporting as one of your last exams, say within the last 18 months, then it's likely you've retained a solid accounting foundation on which to build. In this case, Strategic Business Reporting will be a good first exam at Strategic Professional level. In contrast, Strategic Business Leader builds on the foundations of several applied knowledge and applied skill exams. And this may be a good first exam if you're relatively new to the ACCA qualification and have claimed a number of exemptions. So now to the options. There are 2 main factors to consider: which option exam to choose and which order to take them. When deciding which options to choose, you must consider your past exam performance, as well as your current and future work ambitions, and your personal interest, of course. Each directly builds on the foundations of an applied skills exam. Getting good marks in the underlying exam is often carried through to the corresponding option. Also, working in a related field is likely to be an advantage, as you have real experience of the topics covered. The clearest links are to Advanced Audit and Assurance for those working in audit roles, and Advanced Taxation for those working in tax advisory. Those working in management accounting roles may see links to elements within Advanced Financial Management and Advanced Performance Management. And finally, when deciding when to take the option exams, remember that if you have recently passed the underlying exam, then you will have a recent solid foundation on which to build. If this is the case, you may decide to take an option before the essential exams. An exception to this is Advanced Audit and Assurance, which includes accounting topics that are studied in Strategic Business Reporting, and so we strongly recommend that you have passed Strategic Business Reporting before sitting Advanced Audit and Assurance. Whatever journey you choose to take, it's important to remember that ACCA resources are available to support you in every exam that you take. Best of luck.